Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com, and in this video we are learning how to identify how much time you are using your phone in today or in some previous days like the last week and today. Okay, it is very simple. Already Android 12 and above versions have the option of digital well-being and parental controls. So open your settings, then scroll down, then you can see option of digital well-being and parental controls. Open that, then you can see the diagram of today, and that means I'm using my phone 2 hour 34 minutes total, and I've received 180 notifications, 43 unlocks. Here you can easily identify you are a phone addict or not. Okay, more than 5 hours must be addicted person, but actually our daily life is based on smartphones and internet, so it is quite natural a person who using phone at least 6 hours in a day. So that is the things, and you can simply tap here to see the different days usage like Sunday to Saturday. Okay, here you can see my maximum usage is about 3 hours. So that's guys, and you can simply tap here, check different dates and times. So that's guys, this is very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.